Let's also listen to Adrian Mowat of JP Morgan. He says that China is making good progress towards meeting those objectives.
The MSCI, I think, has done an excellent job at this consultation process. So recognizing a few years ago that when you eventually include A shares, which will be a very major change, it would be China to 40% of the EM benchmark, that they needed a long-term consultation period. And they've set out a very clear set of guidelines for what makes you eligible for an investable emerging market index. And China's making good progress along meeting those particular objectives. Now, they failed, or is that the right way to say it? They haven't made sufficient progress. The sort of dynamics and the sort of herding momentum of the markets. There are major institutional investors in the market, but they are quite limited. And so what we need is maybe a more heterogeneous investor base. We need a multiplication of the number of institutions that are investing in this market. And so that would have been an important addition to bring in more international institutions who would have a different perspective on the type of stocks. And then that also helps in terms of liquidity. It also helps in terms of volatility.